Hi everyone, this is Mr. Random again, and this is video number 4, I believe, in my series on my my photo server. And in this example of this video stuff, I'm going to show you how to install a certbot, and that basically is going to give us an SSL certificate so websites won't freak out and say, hey, this guy's trying to steal your stuff, and it also encrypt traffic and stuff like that. Now I'm using the guide on this page here. I'm skipping a lot of this stuff because we already did it or already covered it, but there's going to be some of the stuff here that I am going to use. So I guess let's go with it. I'm going to put a link to this so you can go to this guide and stuff like that, but basically we're going to start somewhere towards the bottom / middle. So it's right there. What they want us to do is they want us to install the PHP thing for the certbot first. So that's what we're going to do. And that's doing its thing.
And you gotta get on it.
The example wants us to follow this command. So basically what it's saying is that we're agreeing to the terms of service, we have Apache, and we're doing a redirect, and it's using HTS, which is the strict security header thing. So this is our email is going to be, I'm just going to put whatever email on here, one of my random emails. I still don't have a fucking domain.
Can't do that.
So I actually bought a domain.
You bought something with money.
Let's see if this works.
I love money so much.
Alright, it did work. Alright, so this is what's gonna look like when it does work. That's my domain right there, oscarserrano.net. So now it's encrypted. So now that this part is done, I'm gonna go ahead and go to showing you guys how to set up a cron job. So the certificate will renew by itself. Alright, so this is going to check daily, and if it doesn't need to be done, it's not going to do it. But once the script right here, I could go into what the script does. Sure. Basically, it's a different video, and I'll do it later. But basically, it's going to check every day. So the minutes is 0, hours is 0, and it's day, every other day, or daily. So we'll just save that, Control O, Control X, and that's it. It's that simple. So now in the example, it tells us to load the module. Alright, so it's already enabled. So then we'll restart Apache 2. Fuck, I hate when it, that's why I don't like using fucking sudo. I like to stay logged in. Oh my god, okay. There it goes. And that's pretty much it. That's it for that. That was quick, easy. Now, if you have any questions, let me know. If you need help, let me know. I'm going to put the link to my Discord and all that in the bottom. Leave a comment, share, subscribe, and all that. This was a really fast video. But again, if I miss something, let me know. If you get stuck somewhere, let me know. If you need help, get on my Discord. Love you, bye.
Please like and subscribe.